7 Dimensions of Thought by Amir Tuchman. Thoughts come and go in an unpredictable pattern and flow. But where are they coming from? What is their ultimate intention and their final destination? In the course of human intellectual evolution, people have changed many times their perception toward the surrounding nature. Can it be done once more? E equals mc squared stands for energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light in square power and describes the physical order of our universe. But is it possible to formulate this equation differently? Space, time, motion, matter and energy, light and darkness. Are they all just a result of some spontaneous or a chaotic chain of reaction? Or are they an outcome of a calculated process of a very orderly operating mechanism? Once, Albert Einstein metaphorically described the universe and its cosmic space as a three-dimensional fabric/mesh. If so, what could be the frame over which that cosmic fabric stretches? Today, scientists are trying to solve the mystery of the universe's beginning. Some believe it originated during the so-called Big Bang event, while others believe in different beginnings, among them the biblical one, which is considered by many as an outdated myth. But is that so, and is it that different from the theories of modern science? Even more mysterious than any of the proposed beginnings is what was before that. Could the answer be found? If we knew what came first, a chicken or an egg, we could solve the mystery of the beginning, at least theoretically. Scientists work hard to understand how life began, how the first living organism evolved from a mixture of non-living, elementary particles of matter, and whether it happened incidentally or coincidentally. The answer to that has not yet been found, but that's maybe because life is not only the property of the living, or maybe because it always existed, even before the very birth of the universe and the coincidence itself. Physical laws of nature dictate the life of humans and the rest of living beings, but what dictates to them their sense of morality and the perception of immortality? Furthermore, what is the connection between these two? Another question is, how many senses are required for a living being to survive in this nature? What is the purpose of struggling for survival? Or where does the actual struggle for survival begin? Does it belong only at the level of complex flesh and blood creatures, or does it originate in the subatomic realm? Today, some scientists believe that our realm of physicality is more than just three-dimensional. With the help of quantum physics, they are seducing us with an imaginative future in multidimensional reality. Surprisingly, there is no need to wait for that kind of future. It already exists in the present. It is indeed multidimensional and yet not imaginative. It is, in fact, always at our disposal. Do you know what it is? Do you know why sometimes it feels like time is running too fast and suddenly as if it doesn't move? Is it real or just an illusion? The question is, what is real and what is an illusion? Could it be that these two are one? Don't these two states of awareness belong to the same origins within the realm of thought? But where are the origins of the thought itself? Is it in the brain of an earthly creature or from somewhere beyond? We know today that Earth belongs to the solar system, but is the solar system the originator of the Earth, as the popular theory claims? Or maybe the origins of the Earth were far beyond the boundaries of the Sun. Is it possible that the first earthly living being evolved and thrived on Earth without sunlight and a protective atmosphere? Nevertheless, when the sunlight finally shined through the newly formed atmosphere, Mother Earth brought forth many extraordinary creatures, including dinosaurs that roamed the planet for millions of years and then suddenly disappeared. But why? We all know very well that earthly nature does not easily give away its secrets, but maybe the secret of the dinosaurs' disappearance belongs to the moon. Of course, one of the best ways to reveal the secrets of this universe is with the help of mathematics, which was already known to scholars of the ancient world. One of them was Pythagoras, who discovered that the geometrical structure of a pentagram hides a unique proportional ratio, which he calculated as 1.618. He saw in it a representation of nature's perfection, but scholars who followed in his footsteps even called this ratio divine. Let us look around. Maybe there are other numbers and ratios of this nature that equally, if not more, deserve to carry the title of perfection and even divinity. But who are we, or what gives us the right to decide on perfection or divinity in this universe? Is it because we think we are the creatures from the legendary garden in the land of Eden that was lost, and with it, the divine connection? Perhaps one day, we might find the lost perfection and divinity, but until then, we are just like all other terrestrial beings who must struggle to achieve the right to exist. Still, some believe we are uniquely different from all other creatures. But how? Does our upright posture, hand-palm structure, or brain size make us different and unique? Or is there something else beyond our physical properties? As far as our physicality goes, we are undoubtedly terrestrial beings. Yet our ideas and ambitions, strangely, appear very extraterrestrial. This book deals with all these intriguing issues. In the big picture, these ideas, some of which are ancient and some modern, basically reflect the human mind's urge to explore and understand the wisdom behind all this fantastic complexity and its place and purpose in this enigmatic existence. When these ideas are understood, internalized, and implemented, new horizons will open before us, leading humanity toward higher levels of consciousness and eventually to a brighter, happier, and more exciting future.